Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the maintenance light on your Toyota Prius V. First, get into your vehicle and press the engine start-stop switch once, without pressing the brake pedal, to turn the ignition to the on position. Make sure the trip meter shows trip by cycling through the options if needed. Then, turn the ignition completely off. Now press and hold the trip meter reset button. While still holding it down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the button. You will see a series of dashes or zeros appear on the odometer display. Continue holding until the display shows all zeros and the maintenance light disappears. Once the zeros appear and the light is gone, you can release the trip meter button. Turn the ignition off, then start your engine to verify that the maintenance light has been successfully reset. If the light remains on, simply repeat these steps carefully from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to get the timing just right. The maintenance required light on your Prius V is simply a reminder for scheduled service, like an oil change. It usually comes on automatically after about 5,000 miles to keep you on track with your vehicle's upkeep. It doesn't indicate a problem, just a service interval. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.